Hey everybody, welcome back. I appreciate your time. Thank you for watching. So about 8 or 9 days ago, everybody, if you haven't heard it by now, an Oklahoma man defended his home, which was burglarized by 3 people dressed in black with masks and gloves. One was armed with a knife, another one with brass knuckles. He decided to utilize his AR-15 and send them to their maker. Now, as the time has elapsed from the investigation, it was just determined about a day ago that it was going to be self-defense and this man would not be charged. So, kudos. But why am I bringing this up in today's video? And why is it important right now in the history of this country? Well, because today, the next Supreme Court Justice will be confirmed, whether it's going to be by the nuclear option, but he will be confirmed today, Justice Neil Gorsuch. And I bring that up because this incident that happened in Oklahoma will show the difference in 2 sides of the country in their court cases on a federal level, which directly, I guess, are opposite of each other. And this is exactly what the Supreme Court is for. They're supposed to take these differing opinions and render a judgment. So in 2008, the Heller case was decided, and it said, paraphrasing, that people had the right to keep and bear arms, those weapons that are in common use throughout the country. And that has been the individual right that has been the rule of the land. It's been the law of the land since 2008. That case was close. It was a 5-4 decision. Justice Antonin Scalia, may God rest his soul, was a major part of why we have the gun laws that we have right now. Now, flash forward to a couple months ago when the 4th Circuit's decision on Colby v. Hogan came down. That basically upheld Maryland's ban on AR-15s. So now you have in Oklahoma, this gentleman used an AR-15, the modern-day sporting rifle, something that's in common use across the country. It's one of the most popular rifle platforms, not only in America, but in the world. Mainly because of its modularity, can be customized to the user. But that gentleman defended his father and his own life while the house was being burglarized, and it was found to be self-defense. No charges filed, no charges of, hey, that's an evil satanic weapon, you can't have that. It's good to go. You know, sometimes for those 3 people who were shot, you play stupid games, you win stupid prizes. However, the 4th Circuit Court of Appeals says that this is a military weapon. It shouldn't be used by civilians. I got a video on this already. It'll be floating in the card. It'll be in the description as well. But without beating a dead horse, the 4th Circuit said you can't have these weapons, and Maryland's ban on the AR-15 is upheld on a federal level. So now we have 2 differing opinions in 2 different parts of the country. This is exactly what the Supreme Court is for. It's supposed to take these differing opinions from federal courts and render its own. So now, after this evening, we will have Justice Gorsuch on the Supreme Court, who has said in his Senate grillings by the Democrats that Heller is the law of the land. So this could be a very good time for gun owners, not to mention national concealed carry, reciprocity, or national constitutional carry, the Hearing Protection Act, etc., etc. Let me know what you think. I appreciate your time. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. And until we see each other again, this is Jared from Guns and Gadgets telling you to be safe, stay vigilant, carry a weapon. Take care, everybody.